Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download Windows 10 from the official website. To do so, just open your browser and type download Windows 10 and just hit enter. As a next step, you will see websites with the logo of Microsoft. And here it says microsoft.com download Windows 10. Just click on it even if you chose disk image. We'll click on it. And here we are prompted to choose what version we want. So here we will have three options. We can either update our computer, or we can download a tool which will allow us to download Windows 10 and then set it up or burn it to a DVD, USB flash drive, or an ISO file. So as a next step, we'll just click download the tool, which we'll need to use. And after that, we'll be allowed to choose what format we want. So click, let's run the tool. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The little tool will appear like this, and it will say, getting a few things ready. At this stage, we are being asked, or we are given the applicable notices and license terms. Just go ahead, read it if you want, and click accept. Windows again will start saying getting few things ready. And this operation might take few seconds to up to 2 or 3 minutes based on how fast is your computer and your internet. At this stage, you are being asked if you want to upgrade your PC, the current one, or you want to create an installation media. This includes USB flash drive or the so-called bootable USB, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. Select the second option and click Next. At this stage, Windows will automatically detect the current settings of the computer which you are using. In my case, I'm using my computer with English language and the edition Windows 10, and the architecture of my computer is 64X, and this is what has been selected. If you wish to select another option, just click use and use the recommended options for this PC. If you are unsure what architecture is being used by your computer, just go to the box of your computer and read through, or just type dxdiag in the computer if it's running Windows. Click to open the application. Wait a few seconds, it will open and it will show you what architecture. For example, in this case, my computer has an operating system Windows 10. In your case, it might be Windows 8 or Windows 7, and it's 64-bit, and it might be 32-bit in your case. If it's 64, you will need to download 64 if you are going to use the Windows for this laptop or this computer. If the target computer is 32, you need to change it to 32. If you don't know, or you are not able to know because the computer is not working, etc., then just select both. This will download both for you. At this stage, I will just select 64 for me, and you can always also change the language if you want. Note that even if you selected the wrong language here and you install Windows, you still can change this language by downloading the language package via settings. We'll just go ahead and click Next. And here you need to choose. If you want to set it up to a flash drive, you must insert your flash drive and it needs to be at least 8 GB. Or if you want an ISO file, you will need to burn it, or you can burn the ISO file to a DVD later, or even to a USB flash drive or to an SD card. So I will choose the ISO file because it's compatible with almost everything. And I will go ahead and click Next. I will choose the target where I will save it, and this PC. And here I have a USB flash drive with the capacity of 14 GB. I will select it and I will name it Windows 10, and I will click Save. You will need to wait Windows will start the download and the setup, and after that you will have the file ready, which you can use it for burning it or for setting it up into, as I said, USB flash drive, SD card, or even a DVD. At this stage, I will pause the video here, and once done, I will show you how to go through the next steps. As you can see, guys, the download was over and the little tool I got closed. And when I went to my USB flash drive, where I asked for the download to be done, here I have the Windows 10 ISO downloaded. This file can be either burned into a DVD or even a USB flash drive or an SD card. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.